at each of the 203 wards across the state. Thereafter, the cards will be available for collection in our 18 local government area offices in the state for 1 week.
You know, what is great? No. To the contrary.
We received the alert on this.
I didn't get it.
But you uploaded actually on that day. But you said it shut down around 10 minutes to 9. No, the internet, but it came back after. SDP. I didn't see the horse. Secretary BDP. How are you?
I was watching you with I have watching the trailer.
How are you? You watching? Done. Exactly.
I don't know how I can.
The last party on the ballot paper is now in the middle.
Yes. But they say you deliberately did it. How do you want to see our face by yourself?
What is it?
Sorry.
How are you? National Rescue Group.
I still don't
Managed to ensure that we deliver the identification tags for each of the 24,148 agents uploaded to our portal. The Commission is also glad to report that the collection for the election. The three remaining activities are the publication of the notice of poll, the last day of campaign, and the election day. We have included in your folders